let me smoke in peace.
Yeah, dirty gambling.
What? And don't say shit to me.
Flame up right now.
And let me roll my weed. Ha. Yo, this not second grade teaching a big church speaking, just telling life stories where I'm allowed to speak it. Since recent, I haven't been so decent. I always keep my head high when I'm not high. I try to keep them coming back. The po-po be hot where I'm at, and that's a fact. Staying in courtrooms, hands behind my back. Damn, I can't live life like that. They building cases against us, won't notify us when they got a warrant against you. Money ain't right, but re-up with no issue, cause you gotta do that to try to double the income. And other things may need your attention before you wake up in the morning and your car missing. But you continue on your mission, cause material things can't die with you. Yo, continue doing what you love, fuck a job that diss you. Marijuana not a problem, why they need my piss too? It's not like I'm shooting crack, I'm smoking on the plant and everybody feel away and got a speech to say. Just let me smoke in peace.
Yeah.
Just let me smoke in peace.
Oh, you could.
Ha! Yeah. Just let me smoke in peace. And don't say shit to me. No. And let me roll my weed.
Yeah.
I feel it in the air like Benny Siegel said. That's the method of my plan to just show and tell. I hate a snitch and lying bitch in the epic fail. Don't mind taking the L, long as I learn this well. When they switch sides on you, become this loyal. I've been this loyal, life like a battle royal. Better watch your back, something might happen to you. Won't knock me off my square, I got a huge pep. I flame up, you worrying about is the coast clear. Let's smoke in peace, rest in peace. Ace Boog, you an angel in the hood. The lab gon' rep you like real niggas should. And we gon' smoke in peace to your memory and anyone we lost on the road to making history. Let's smoke in peace, let the killing cease. Yo, the innocent won't have to bleed. If the blind can find another way to read, just seeing I should have love for a human being. Let's smoke in peace. Please, let's smoke in peace. Yeah.
And
Ha!